thanks for coming to check out another synthetic wig review. So today's review is serious, so rude. Yo, so rude. Anyway, so today's video is I will be reviewing another unit by Studiocut, and this one is a cute little bob. And so yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this new video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, Jess the DRAGONESS. Make sure you're following me on all my social media at Jess the DRAGONESS on Instagram and Facebook, because we lit over there. Stories be on 1,000. Oh my gosh, you guys, everything that could go wrong in this video is literally going wrong. I'm getting phone calls, my phone's ringing, I'm burping in the video. Like, this is just too much. I don't get it. Anywho, here is the wig. So this wig is called Angled Wave, and this is in OTB blue black. Ooh, blue black. I love me a good old blue black unit. I already feel like I'm gonna love this one. And she's reminding me of a combination of two wigs that I already know I love. It's reminding me of Jessie and Kerry. Okay, this looks just like Kerry to me, actually, and the color reminds me of the Jessie wig. So I think I'm gonna love this one already. Now, the cap construction looks just like the one that I'm rocking right now, which is also a Studiocut unit. The construction has no lace to cut. You have a lace parting space in the middle, and this one is a curved parting space. You have two combs on the side, one comb in the back, and your two adjustable straps on the inside. I'm going to connect the adjustable straps. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and pop her on. If you're curious about the unit that I am rocking right now, I will leave a link to where you can watch it up here and in the information box down below. So the fit on this is definitely fitting my head perfectly. So I would definitely say that this one is good for your average head, ladies. I think a larger head could fit it as well, as long as you just wear it behind the hairline, how I'm wearing it right now. Let me slide up. Let me get a little closer to y'all, a little more closer. Okay, so she cute or whatever. We already got our baby hairs laid, but I think I'm just gonna do a little bit better job blending. So the only pet peeve with these wigs that I have is that these wigs are raised up, like they're not flat around the hairline. So you definitely will have to wear these behind your hairline. And your best option would be to have some leave out, because this raised up portion right here is just calling a little too much attention to itself for my liking. I would prefer it was a little less raised up, but you know, can't have everything you want. But I just feel like there's a line of demarcation there that you can actually see. So you see what I'm saying? Like, it's a little raised up. So I wish I had hair to pull out, but my hair is braided underneath here. So this is definitely one of those wigs where you want to have just, you know, the very first ½ an inch of your hairline actually out and blend it into the wig. But right now I'm just trying to finesse my edges because I can't take all these braids out, baby, okay? Let's go ahead and add a little powder. Let's go ahead and add a little powder to the parting space. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then let me go ahead and just comb out the unit just a little bit. Okay, bang. Okay, the bang is quite dramatic, you guys. It's a dramatic bang. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Yes, ma'am. Now, I wish the bang had a few layers that were a little bit shorter. Like this right here could be a little bit shorter. Okay. because some of these are just doing me too long and would be better just a tad shorter. She's definitely cute. Let me turn around. And she's definitely angled, which I'm not always crazy about, but I like it. Ooh, yes, she's giving me like sexy, sultry. Let's see if we can turn her even more. Let's turn her even more and give her a deeper part. We'll give her a deeper part. Ooh, yes. Okay, she's serving even further over. Like she's giving me something. Giving me something I can feel. Hey, to let him know his love is good. Hey, come on, In Vogue. Hey, giving him something. What y'all know about that? If you know that song, I want you to type "feeling it" in the comments down below, okay? And then we all know what that means. Okay. Yes. Cute. She is cute, you guys. She's cute. Maybe it's because she's blue. Maybe it's because she's like the remake of the Kerry wig, which was one of my all-time favorites. I don't know. Something about this wig is just giving me all sorts of life, all sorts of just everything, okay? If a wig gonna have me singing, then you know she cute. Okay, not just cute. So I would definitely recommend this one. The only downside about this unit is, like I said, that line of demarcation. But if you pull your own hair out and go ahead and blend it, you will have no problem with that line of demarcation. It will definitely disappear. All right, you guys, make sure you click the link in the information box down below if you want to check out this Studiocut wig. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.